Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, I understand English, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am, 100%, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
I am healthy, ma'am.
Okay, so if you are unwell and you have health issues in your body, better stay in the Philippines, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so um, do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Darweza Salahuddin. I'm single. I was born on September 25, 1989. I have five children. We are all boys. The eldest age is 17, the second 14, and the third is 10 years old, and the youngest is, uh, the fourth is 7 years old, and the youngest is 3 years old.
Okay, so I need to know some few more details from you. Okay, how old are you?
I am 35 years old.
Are you single or married or single with live-in partner?
I have live-in partner, mom.
Okay, what is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'4".
Your
My
weight?
weight is 57 kilograms.
Okay, what is your religion?
I am a Catholic, Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
High school graduate.
Okay, so you mentioned that you have a live-in partner, correct?
Yes, mom.
Did he allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, mom.
How old is he and what is his occupation?
So, he is 28 years old, mom, and construction worker.
Construction worker. Okay, what about your brother? How many brother and sister do you have?
I have three brother and five sister.
What is your rank in your family? Are you
I
the
am
eldest?
second, mom.
You are the second. Okay, so do you have any working experience as a housemaid?
Yes, mom.
In which place?
Dagu City, mom.
Okay,
Philippines,
your name is Darweza, right?
mom.
What happened? Why you wanted to come and work here as a domestic helper? You know it is a very tough job.
Yes, mom.
So why you wanted to come and work here as a domestic helper?
I want to I want to go I want to work in Malaysia, mom, because to sustain my family, mom.
Sustain your family. So in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2017 to 2018 as a bakery staff, correct?
Yes, mom.
After that, year 2024 and until now, until present, is you work as a housemaid, right?
Yes, mom.
In which place in the Philippines is this?
Dagu City, Philippines, mom.
In which place?
Dagu City.
Digo City. Okay, so can you share it with me? What are your primary duties there? What is your job responsibilities to your recently employer? What did you do there?
First house household course, mom.
And then
And then I know to help cook, ma'am.
Cook. You cook
Cleaning,
there.
yes, ma'am.
And then?
Ironing, ma'am.
And then?
Cleaning, laundry.
Okay. Did you take your children there?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the children that you take care?
No, ma'am. I I only do household, ma'am.
Okay. So you need to
Confident.
be being a domestic helper is very tough, right? So you need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking. Are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure that you are ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can you speak English or can you understand English?
I understand English, ma'am.
Okay. So can you take your baby or children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Not really, ma'am.
Not really. Can you take care pets?
No, ma'am.
You afraid of dogs or any cats?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Breaching or terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
You are
I
the
understand.
one. Okay, understand. You are the one who wanted to come and work here because you wanted a better future for your family, right?
Yes.
What will you do if you feel homesick, if you miss your family? What will you do?
After I will work, ma'am. I will call my family, mom.
Okay, so usage of mobile handphone, are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for the whole day? But rather than you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning.
Yes, ma'am.
And then, of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house. But if you will work, of course, employer will going to compensate your salary. So, are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because if you disagree, better you stay in the Philippines. We don't want later to have such a problem once you come to work here in Malaysia and you will going to demand us about all these things. No such a thing, okay? Because in the first place, I did clarify to you all these things and you also agree. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Understand, yeah?
I understand, ma'am.
Okay, always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work here in Malaysia or in other countries. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect their culture. Yeah, you might be the boss in the Philippines, but here, no. We need to humble ourselves. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Darwaza. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Thank you too,
Thank
ma'am.
you so
And
much
good
and have a
day.
good day. Bye.